Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing toothy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she know the choice. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond, everything is love with Briana Marie.
What's good, Dallas? What's good? What's good, Dallas? What's good? I'm back with another makeup tutorial, y'all. This makeup tutorial is so wild. It's giving me the chills because green is definitely that fall color. And I am rocking it. I did my hair so good. Do y'all see the edges? Y'all will have I will have a video listed up. If not before this, after this. But y'all, it's giving me. And then my outfit is giving me bad. Today is Saturday the 30th. So if y'all see this video on Halloween or after Halloween, happy Halloween, y'all. Y'all go trick or treat with the kids. Stay safe. Check their candy, y'all. Do all of that. Okay. I don't want to keep y'all long. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Oh my god, I knew something. Okay, I don't know if I was talking. I can't wait to get to a comfortable position where I'm able to continuously and consistently give y'all YouTube videos. Right now, I'm not in a comfortable position. I feel like I'm not where I want to be at the moment. And for that, you have to do YouTube videos. But I don't know. It's just like I'm really trying to get comfortable. I don't know what it is. Like I'm stress eating. Like I'm eating. That's why I'm gaining weight, because I'm stressed. It's just a lot. I'm trying my best to show all the products because I know I'll be slacking on it. Even the brushes. So please watch this tutorial to the end so that y'all know everything that I use. I'm going into my 350 palette, and this is the Fierce by Nature, and this is from Morphe. And I'm taking my medium shader brush from Makeup Addiction. I'm going to this shade right here. I always love a dark focus. I'm going to this shade right here. I wish I had some spooky nails on, y'all. I really miss being creative, y'all. I really miss my creative side, because I just be thinking in my head like, yeah, let me do this, look, let me do this, let me do it like that. I want to get back comfortable, and I just been overly eating, getting fat, and I just feel like that's the reason why, because I'm really not comfortable. I don't even know what I'm wearing, so that's why I want to stick to something neutral, because I don't even know what I'm wearing. I don't know. I want my eyes to be really pretty. I want a pretty, that's what I think I'm gonna go for. I really want my stuff to be neat. I really enjoy my eye looks to be neat. I be want to try different things. Like, that's why I be want to do tutorials like almost every day, because I could do so many eye looks, you know, so many eye looks. Like, dealing with YouTube, y'all, if y'all start YouTube, it's really great, but it's hard. It's really hard. I'm telling you. Trying to keep up, trying to edit your videos a certain way so people can be entertained. Like y'all know this is like my income. So this is besides the business. I haven't started the business yet anyway, but main key is to enjoy and not worry about the money, y'all. Like I said, I be wanting to do stuff like that, but it's like priorities comes first, and I can't just up and get to what I love to do. I've been loving this color out of this Morphe 39A palette, and my palette's so dirty, like ew. I'm gonna take this color right here. It's my favorite. It has so many warm tones, so many browns in here. I'm gonna like using orange just as my transitions. This is a Morphe 506 brush. And I'm gonna show you because I took 2 colors, so I'm taking 2 colors out of this palette. I'm staying low because if I go up, y'all, I'm gonna be right next to my brow bone, and I don't want to. Those colors, see, it's like brown, certain browns that you have to use to make certain stuff out. Okay. That's why Morphe palettes, y'all, Morphe palettes be bomb. Okay, you go ahead and take this color right here and also this one. The brush I'm taking now is a Maxi Lux 406. 406. I don't know why I say O. Is that a habit for y'all? Y'all say O when y'all know it's 0. Went ahead and put some lip injection on from Too Faced. That's why I'm over here like agitating my lips. Okay, so I can't find my ink blot base, so I'm just gonna go on blank canvas and we're going to color over that. This color right here that I was first gonna go in with out of 3503 palette, the Fierce by Nature one, and I want to take that on the same brush that I used to apply the first shade, which is the shader brush, medium shader brush. So I'm taking my Derma Blend. Well, I did take my Derma Blend, y'all. This look is so cute, y'all. Ooh, ooh. Using JellieWinks graphic paint liners in a shade white. And to activate it, I'm simply gonna spray my what was that? My Max spray. My hands is consistently shaking. These. Yeah, so I'm gonna do these because these are soft. About to take, while my lashes dry, some, what's this? Pore Professional from Benefit. Skin Luminous moisturizer. I couldn't get it out, y'all. We need, since my eye didn't please me as much as I liked it to because of the white. I need my face to be big. So let's go. I'm gonna start off with this ColourPop contour stick. This is in the shade Deep Dark 210C. I always use this all the time. I need a new one because I'm running out. And I'm going to contour the areas that I want to. This is where I want. That's where I want my cheekbones to sit. I want my cheekbones up here like that, high. And put some more chin. For foundation, I'm going in with my soft matte. I always take this foundation, like I just been into it lately. That's just been my favorite. Just took tan sand in the inner corner and deep sand. Deep, y'all. I'm using deep, and I put in all the areas that I put the 10 deep sand. I'm gonna take MMMitchell. This is the foundation. This is the Luminous All Day Luminous Foundation. Okay, so I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup. I mix light and buttercup together to get this concoction. I'm gonna take Fenty powder. You already know the routine. It's the same routine. So I honestly don't even have to explain. Only the blush and stuff that I put on differently. But other than that, it's the same routine. I want some new foundation. Look at my skin, flawless. Y'all see that? I took 460 Pro Fixer powder. I use the same thing, so everything is the same. I don't have a lot of memory, so I'm gonna just make this a little quicker. When we get to the under eyes, I'm gonna use this as my contour, and I'm gonna come back when it's time to do my under eye. Hey, mommy, my Saharan blush palette. You just woke up. You can't get up here, girl. Why are you trying to get up here with me? Oh, can I finish? Yeah, so we can go get something to eat. You want to sit on the couch? I want chicken, Mommy. Okay. Take my brown Perfect Precision eyeliner to line my lips. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna take Supernatural. Like a pinky tone. So I'm about to take Tiffany Beats Bay 2 lip gloss. On the Cupid's bow, I put Diamond Milk. And then I'm going to put some green in the inner corner, and that's about it. I'm thinking I'm going to add this color. This is out of the Radioactive palette by Melt. Okay, so I'm gonna come back. I'll be right back. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm talking really fast. It's because I'm trying to go. Okay? Don't forget to go share this video, like, comment, subscribe. And until then, I'll see you guys on my